Hey guys, and welcome back. So I know the quality is a little different. I'm using my phone camera, like the back camera, not the front camera, and that's because I don't have a mirror today. I'm in the process of moving. So today I'm actually doing a little haul. I kind of went through the makeup already, but because I had filmed something else and I just didn't like it. So today I'm going to be doing a full face of high-end makeup from TJMAXX. Now TJMAXX kind of has some off-brand stuff. I don't really know how you describe it, but it's just like really crazy there, really messy. Some of the products that they have are usually swatched, so I did my best getting what I could. I will show you guys everything I got I'll show you guys everything I got first. So I got the Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation stick. I got this one in banana, and then I got this one in cool earth, which is like a dark brown, and I was going to use that for our contours and just whatever else I wanted to use it for, like for a makeup look. I also got the Anastasia Beverly Hills blush trio in cocktail party. Really cute. And then the biggest, like, I've been wanting to try cream contour, so I got the Anastasia cream contour. These two shades were swatched when I first got them, this one and this one, like the slightest swatch. So I just cleaned it off. And then I got 3 matte lipsticks. I guess I only brought 2. Yeah, so I have 3 matte lipsticks, but I guess I only brought 2. This one's Rogue, this one is Staunch, and I forgot what the other one was, but it's kind of along these like brownie colors. And then I got some lashes. Just some Ardell wispy lashes, Faux Meek. And then, I got this Elizabeth Arden Ceramide Lash Extending Treatment Mascara. I tried this in, did I post the look? I think it's the look that I just posted, my recent ones with the white backdrop. I'm pretty sure I used this, in my recent post. But yeah, I actually really like it. But other than that, oh yeah, I also got the Too Faced Melted Latex, and this is Hot Mess. I tried this on earlier because I wanted to see if it was even my like shade, and it's really sticky, and even taking it off, it makes your lips really sticky. I would probably only do this if I wanted to do a look and then just take it off after, which I'm pretty much gonna do and always do. So I'm going to do that, and I'm just gonna do my full face, and that's about it. So first I'm just gonna take banana in the Anastasia stick and just rub it on my face. My face is pretty oily right now. I've been sweating, obviously, from moving, and not the brightest idea to move in summertime in Arizona, but gotta do what you gotta do. It's you and me, we making arrangements. Why you make it so complicated? Off the drink and we concentrated. No, you won't leave me hanging. I know. Smoke weed out the container. Spend cash on entertainment. There's more where that came from, that's all I'm saying. Next, we're going to go in with my JEFFREE Star Concealer in C4. I'm actually going to take the contour kit and kind of take like these two colors right here. They are fair and neutral. And I'm gonna blend those into that. And then for contour, I'm going to use Havana and Light Sculpt. Oh, I just clipped my fingers. I know this looks like a lot and it looks crazy, but that's why I was kind of always scared of contour, like cream contour like this, because I just didn't know how it's gonna look. But I've been testing it out and it's gonna blend nice, like trust me. Does anybody else's beauty blenders just like get random holes in it? Like I didn't even do anything but blend my shit. But the finish is nice so far. I'm going to go in with my stuff. Okay, and I'm actually going to take the little one. Just have to do that every time because it smells so good. Okay. And if you have not already, go check out my Jeffree Star review. I will have that link down below in the description if you'd like, and you can go watch that and let me know what you think. How I do my brows, I have like a mini tutorial up on my Instagram, but I pretty much just use a sultry palette and I just do the damn thing. Ooh. I love doing the boogies. Okay, now we have transformed. I'm going to go in with my Maybelline City Bronzer, and I'm just going to bronze where I contoured. And sorry I'm sitting so low, my back hurts. So.
Trust me, like in person, this looks so good. And you guys will see the photos on Instagram if you follow me. I'm just about to hit 900 followers.
Honestly, playing this back, guys, I realized that I talk so damn much when I do tutorials. Let me know if you'd be interested in actually hearing me and what I say next time. I kind of just ramble, but just let me know. Alright, so once we're all bronze, I'm going to go into the Anastasia Beverly Hills. Oh wow, there's a mirror in here too. And I'm just gonna go into all of them. I don't care. You love a blush, bitch. She's cute and sun-kissed. Oh, highlight, Gleam Glow. I obviously go into these ones. This is an OG of mine. I'm gonna use my, not that, that's a brow brush. Alright, so I'm going to get the product, Starburst and Crushed Pearl. I'm going to spray it with my spray, Morphe spray, and then go right here. Just that one. So once we're done with highlight, I am just going to use this mascara that I had talked about, and then I'm actually going to do a look as well, but I feel like I do looks too much and I wanted to focus more on the base today. So I'm going to do my eyes off camera, and then I'm going to just pop on these lashes, and I'll be back. Alright guys, so I just finished my eyes off camera. Let's not pay attention to how terrible it is, because I am not one to do halo eyes, and I wanted to give it a try, and that's how it came out. So not my best work, but I'm still going to snap some photos, and yeah, actually I just have to finish off with this setting spray, and I will be finished. Love it. Oh, actually, how could I forget about the lips? So I used Staunch the other day, but I'm actually going to use Rogue this time, and it's actually a really like dark color, very vampy fall, so we're gonna do that. just kind of a darker look, but I like it. I like the lip. I'm going to snap some pics, edit some photos, you know, get the Facetune going, and yeah, so if you guys like this video, just let me know down in the comments below. And you can find me on all my social media. It's Rose.Bud.Beauty. My Twitter is Rose.Bud.Beauty 98. So is my Snapchat with no dots in the middle. And yeah, so I'm gonna be on all of those social medias a lot. I'm being pretty active, and please go follow me. I'm pretty much at 900 and I would love to make 1K. Thank you guys so much for your support and subscribing. I love it so much, and I really do plan to come out with more videos for the summer. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you guys next time.